Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I didn't measure it, but I shall as soon as I find this bloke. You see before you, 18 by 12 inch or 30 by 46 centimetre piece of plywood, and I've put some black paint on it. I've had some trouble with MDF, and I had some frames and they had the MDF backing in them, and when I put the paint on them it swelled up and went all yucky and horrible, and so I bought this plywood to try, and my son has cut them all out to size for me, isn't he kind, and so now I'm going to see how this goes. This black paint's been sitting on here for about, I don't know, 10 minutes, and so far it's looking really good. It hasn't soaked anything up like the other stuff did. So what have I got? Well, you can see the black, and I have cyan blue, bright red, and pearl white, or white pearl. Now in the white pearl I've put a couple of drops of OGX, 3 I think it was, drops of OGX. The other 2 don't have any. So I'm going to pour myself up a cup of these lovely colours, and come here Pearly, and I'm thinking I might just like to do a bit of a jiggle pour, just because they're pretty colours, and I'm putting pearls sort of between them, no barking. Stop it please. Just because I'm home they think they have to protect me. Okay, so there's a nice big cup full of lovely colours. And now I'm just going to tilt this a little bit and see what we get. Okay, I'm getting some nice selection here already. Back and back this way. Right. Ooh. As you can see, just take it over this corner, then go back to the centre, over this one, The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below Show More underneath this video, just below the video. Rather like those stripes. Hoping not to lose too many. Didn't lose too many. And then just back. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And you're more than welcome to come and join us there. And I really like this one. Do I have a little bit more? No, I don't. Alright, I'd like some red and just a little bit of colour there, I think, in that, with this blue. That's not going to do it. Let's have some white. Alright. Down. Oh, the pearl does look pretty. Right, I'm just going to leave that like that. Oh, how nice. I'm just going to wipe my hands and wash my hands off a little bit, and oops, and then give it a little torch, see how we go. Have the lighter over here. Okay, so let me see what I have. Oh, lots of nice cells going on and some lovely lines. I like these little lines here. Alright, I'm going to bring you down to have a look at this. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And this is what I've been looking at. It's kind of pretty. And I'm going to focus in for me, camera. Don't think it here we go. Takes its time. So there's the little candy stripes in the corner. How nice is that cyan blue? And that pearl, you can't really see it. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but it's really, really pearly white. Really quite pretty. Yes, this is a very pretty one. And I do like the colours. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up and share and all of that business. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.